Hello, good morning! Hello everyone, it's me, Kristiano Pablo, and welcome back to my channel. And before we start, kindly give this a big thumbs up and subscribe for more videos and click the notification bell to be notified when a new video will be uploaded. And another Facebook page, guys. So, dito i-like ninyo akong Facebook page, Kristiano Pablo. Taruan yung spelling, ha? Ang karon ako naunanaan nga what if ka nga since ganahan ko tanan ko silent and I want to know their language. Wow, English. Gusto na ako makabalo ko sa ilang mga basics lang sa ilang language. So karon mag-study ta mga Thailand yung mga words. Thailand yung mga words. Gago. Ano to? Karon natin video nga ako ipakita mo mag-study lang daw ta. So karon natin nakita niyo video no. Before ta mo start on intro sa tatak. So karon ako nakita ng video sa YouTube. Ang iyang title noon. Ang iyang title kay Lesson 1 Introduction and Basic Words and Phrases. So karon ato ning paminawon no kon sa iya pangyoyo diri tapos kinala makabalo ta unsay kon sa mga say no. Pilo mo sa nang baboy bit. Yawa na oy. So karon na ato nang sugdan ang video kay para mahumalo din tani. Ato nang sugdan.
Welcome to the Learn Thai podcast.
Hi.
This podcast has a goal to give everyone the possibility to learn the basics of Thai language. Okay, let's get started. Politeness is very important in Thailand, and therefore one should end every sentence with
Krap.
if you are male
Krap.
or
Ka.
if you're female. But they are also commonly used to answer yes or to show agreement. In our podcast, we will say the sentence in English and then repeat it in Thai. If a man wants to say hello, he says.
สวัสดีครับ
If a woman wants to say hello, she says.
สวัสดีค่ะ
Now it is your turn to repeat.
So kuan daw guys kanang if lucky daw sawat di krap pagkahuman basta babae sawat di ka.
How are you?
สบายดีไหม
Sabay di may.
So the correct answer is สบายดี which mean I'm fine.
Sabay di. Sabay di.
Thanks.
If you're a man you say ขอบคุณครับ If you're a woman you say ขอบคุณค่ะ
ขอบคุณครับ. Kumanta naman sa akong video pagkamay niyo i-like ang akong video. ขอบคุณครับ.
If a man says sorry,
ขอโทษครับ ขอโทษครับ
ขอโทษครับ ขอโทษครับ. Kasi may H. May H man yun. So,ขอโทษครับ.ขอโทษครับ. Okay.
yes.
ใช่ ใช่
ใช่ Kung yes, ใช่ Okay.
No.
ไม่ใช่
ไม่ใช่
ไม่ใช่ ไม่ใช่
Okay. ไม่ใช่
อรุณสวัสดิ์
อรุณสวัสดิ์ Hello, good morning.
สวัสดีตอนเที่ยง สวัสดีตอนเที่ยง
สวัสดีตอนเที่ยง Dali ko ng tingting.
Good evening.
Igam ki diri do.
สวัสดีตอนเย็น
Igang nga.
สวัสดีตอนเย็น
So good evening, kuan siya. Sawat di tonyen.
Good night.
ราตรีสวัสดิ์
Good night. So ratri sawat.
Can you help me?
ช่วยหน่อยได้ไหม
Ano sa to?
ช่วยหน่อยได้ไหม
ช่วยหน่อยได้ไหม ช่วยหน่อยได้ไหม
No problem.
ไม่เป็นไร
ไม่เป็นไร
My name is Joe.
ฉันชื่อโจ
ฉันชื่อ
ฉันชื่อโจ
ฉันชื่อ Christian Paulo Plaza ฉันชื่อ Cristiano Pablo ฉันชื่อ Cristiano ฉันชื่อ
Nice to meet you.
ยินดีที่ได้รู้จัก
ยินดีที่ได้รู้จักwala na kung kanang tagas-tagas. Ay, mo na to. Mana na siya. Wala na siya nagbabay sa kuha kung unsay kuha. Naumana na dito yung tutorial di ay. So karon, mag-comment down below mo kung ganahan mo ma-shoutout sa next video. And for today's video, ang shoutout na to karon goes to Justin Paragama, kay nag-comment siya atong last video katong mukbang. Wato siya karon para sa karon nga video. And if you like this video, kindly give us a big thumbs up and subscribe for more videos and click the notification bell to be notified when a new video will be uploaded. Really comment down below and share this video to your friends, and don't forget to follow my social media accounts as Kristiano_Pablo. Mga to siya, this is Kristiano Pablo saying, ayaw problema ang problema, huna-huna akong sa mahimong solusyonan na. Smile good, dapat happy lang, diba? See you in the next video. Adios! Thank you.